guys think about this one?
You too.
I think I like this one too, you guys. It is so modern, you guys. What do you guys think? Yeah, like this
Well,
one.
she's doing probably this. So what you have to do here is you have to.
What do you guys think? Let me know down below, y'all. Let me know. Ooh, those kind of lights, y'all. Look at this. Yes, ma'am. I like this. Y'all can see your girl over here cooking, right?
I really do like it.
I like it. What do you guys think? This is the oven. Ew, it's peanut butter in there, you guys. I accidentally spilled peanut butter in there. No, I did it. It was there already. And here's the fridge. What do you got? Oh, it's different compared to the other one. Double doors, of course. I like this one. And this the freezer. What else? I didn't show them, babe. Wow. Look at this, y'all. I don't know what you call this. Is that the entry? What is it? This is pretty. I could see me getting all this stuff like that once we get our house. In the name of Jesus, you feel me? And you guys, look at this one right here. Over here, so classy. You guys looking for something different, you see? You know what I'm saying? It's classy. If you like that color, you feel me? It's nice. What do you guys think, y'all? Let me know down below. Yes, ma'am. This is the cabin. Something classy, it's different. You feel me? It's lights here as well. Freezer. You know your girl moving so fast. I hope I'm still recording. Not sure. Look at the table. Do you guys like the setup? Or let me know down below what you guys are doing on the table. You know, people stuff, so it's not like, you know, the way it was, but it's cute. Alright. Dinner time. You know, you have your friend, your family, your best. What you guys think, you guys? I like the backsplash. It's pretty. It's nice.
What's that, marble?
It's not marble, it feels like
like a
it.
fake marble.
Oh, this one is. It's just fake, but it's cute. I like it. This is the, I think that's a gas stove. I don't know.
Yeah, it's good.
It's a gas stove, y'all. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know which one do you guys like, because I'm going to post. This is part 2, all right? So let me know which one you guys prefer, all right? Don't forget to always look out for eBay. Until next time. My hair look a hot mess, but it's all right. All right. Bye.